NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 7, Exercise 7.1, Question number 14. The perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining the points A 1, 5 and B 4, 6 cuts the y-axis at option A 0, 13, option B 0, minus 13, option C 0, 12 or option D 13, 0. We have to find the point on y-axis. X coordinate of the point must be 0. Option A x coordinate 0, option B x coordinate 0, option C x coordinate 0, and in the option D x coordinate is not 0. Therefore straight away we can say that D is not a right option. Let us draw the points on a graph, x axis, y axis, and then we have the point A 1, 5, point B 4, 6. Join these 2 points and draw a perpendicular bisector, a line that is perpendicular to AB and passing through midpoint of AB. This perpendicular bisector cuts the y-axis at a point. Let the midpoint of the line segment AB is equal to P and the point where the perpendicular bisector cuts the y-axis be Q. P is equal to midpoint of AB. Q is equal to point at which perpendicular bisector cuts the y-axis. Q is the point that we need to find, which is equal to one of the options. We know that AB is perpendicular to PQ. That implies the product of the slopes, slope of AB times slope of PQ is equal to minus 1. Now let us find the slope of AB. Slope of AB, MAB is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, where point A 1, 5, point B 4, 6 are x1 y1 and x2 y2 respectively. Slope MAB is equal to y2 is 6 minus y1 is 5 divided by x2 is 4 minus x1 is 1. 6 minus 5 is 1 divided by 4 minus 1 is 3. Therefore, slope of the line segment joining the points A, B is 1 by 3. Let us substitute that value in the product of the slopes equation. MAB times MPQ is equal to minus 1. MAB we have found it is 1 by 3. MPQ is equal to minus 1. MPQ is equal to minus 3. We have found slope of the perpendicular bisector PQ, which is equal to minus 3. Now let us find the point P, which is the midpoint of AB. The formula to find the midpoint is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, where x1 y1 is point A and x2 y2 is point B. Let us substitute the values. x1 is 1 plus x2 is 4 by 2, y1 is 5 plus y2 is 6 divided by 2. That is equal to 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 6 is 11. Therefore, P is equal to 5 by 2, 11 by 2. Now let us find equation of the line passing through the point P and having a slope of MPQ. Now what is the formula for the equation of a line passing through point x1, y1 and having a slope M? Y minus y1 is equal to M of x minus x1. And here P 5 by 2, 11 by 2 is x1, y1. Let us substitute the values. Y minus y1 is 11 by 2 equal to slope MPQ is minus 3 times x minus x1 is 5 by 2. Since Q is on y-axis, we can take x coordinate as 0. That implies y minus 11 by 2 is equal to minus 3 of x is 0 minus 5 by 2. Here we are finding the point Q 0, y. Y minus 11 by 2 is equal to minus 3 of minus 5 by 2 is 3 times 5, 15 by 2. That implies y is equal to 15 by 2 plus 11 by 2. In the denominator we can take 2 as LCM, and in the numerator we get 15 plus 11, which is 26. That is equal to 13. Therefore, for the point Q, x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 13. Therefore, the point Q, the point at which perpendicular bisector cuts y axis, is equal to 0, 13. From the given options, option A is the right answer.